Hello dear learners, how do you do? I hope you guys are quite safe and sound. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to tell time in Uzbek. Okay, if you are going to learn Uzbek, it's a very important part to tell time. Okay, when you meet your guests, your patients or new person from Uzbekistan, so you will have to tell time. Suppose that he is asking you what's the time by your watch, so you'll have to tell. Okay, at least. So guys, in the view of that, I am going to make a video regarding that. Please, if you are a newborn in our YouTube channel, please subscribe it, like, share and comment, and don't forget to share our video so that we could reach out to more guys. Okay, so let's start. How to tell time. Here, first of all, you'll have to know what's the time. What's the time by your watch. So you'll have to say neche saat bolda. Neche saat bolda. You're asking about time. Here, when o'clock, watch, or hour. So it will be saat. It's 2 o'clock. Suppose it's 2 o'clock. So first of all, you will have to use saat, then ikki. So it's 2 o'clock or it's 2. So it will be saat ikki. Like 5. You're saying 5 o'clock. So it will be saat besh. So firstly, guys, you will have to use saat. Okay, if in your sentence o'clock, watch or hour or pm is coming, like you are saying it's 2 p.m. So you'll have to say what? Saat for pm and ikki. Okay, like it's you are saying it's 2 o'clock. So you'll have to say ikki firstly, saat and then ikki. Okay, so it will be saat ikki. So ikki is equivalent to o'clock, watch, hour or pm. Then half an hour, it's called arim, yarim. So arim, like 7:30, you are saying 7:30 etti yarim. So time, then yarim, etti yarim, 7:30 p.m. So p.m. as well, it's coming here in this sentence. So firstly, what you will have to do, first translate p.m. Saat etti yarim, saat etti yarim. Here irtalab etti yarim. Okay, when am, so am its equivalent is irtalab etti yarim, irtalab etti yarim. Here quarter past, when quarter past, time plus dan chora olda, like 5:15 besh dan chora olda. 5:15 am. First am ertalab besh dan chora kolda. Okay, this one. And here when quarter two. Okay, quarter two, time plus ga chora kolda, like 2:45 uch ga chora kolda. 8:45 tokkis ga chora kolda. Understood? Here the 6 points you will have to memorize that one. Minute, its equivalent is minute or daqiqa, like 7:5. Etti besh daqiqa, time. Okay, big one. So etti besh minute daqiqa, at 7. Sakkis etti minute. And I have told you guys am at pm. Okay, saat or o'clock, saat. Here the example 4-5 am at tort besh, or dakika am time or minute dakika minute. Here 12:30 pm saat for pm. Okay, and on ikki 12. Okay, and 13 as well, to 30 yarim. Okay, so 12:30 saat on ikki yarim. Therefore to tort ikki daqiqa 11:45 on ikkiga chora kolde. 9:15 tokizdan chora kolde. 10:30 on yarim. Guys, do practice more, do exercise more. Here as well we have 4:8 tord sakis daqiqa. Tord sakis daqiqa. Here 9:30 o'clock Suad Toki's earring. Suad Toki's earring. So guys, this one I have told you one by one the examples, and I have cleared the the points. Please memorize the points first and then do the examples, and you write yourself many more examples so that you could practice more. You can learn it perfectly. When you are going to do or say, you can say perfectly, you can speak perfectly. It's my wish to you guys. Be continue with us. If you want to learn Uzbek in a different way and perfectly, it's my promise to you guys to that I'll teach you Uzbek in a perfect way if you continue with me. And if you don't skip the video from beginning to the end, you can learn definitely a different way of learning Uzbek language with me, because I here to teach you perfectly one by one video. Here I am going to upload many videos related to your spoken classes. So this is the second video, second part we have uploaded, and be continue with us, okay, for more video. See you in the next video. Thank you.